Guys, I have a wonderful idea. We do a lot of things every day to entertain ourselves, right? We are on social media, we use YouTube a lot, then we play games in the sense online games, or we use PlayStation to play the game, or we go to the mall and go to the game zone, right? So these are the places where we want to entertain ourselves. We get want to get rid of the boring routine and just to freshen our minds. Okay, now guys, what if we start using these platforms and start learning English? Trust me, I'm not going to get that time boring for you. Trust me on this. It will be as interesting as it was before. It's just that you will start learning English out of it. Now, how? I'm going to answer that in my video, and I'm going to tell you how you can make or start practicing English while you're getting entertained. If you like this idea, subscribe my channel, guys, please, and give me a thumbs up. Share my video, like my video, comment what else do you want to know from me, and how do you feel about my videos. Let's get started. So I want to speak about the social media sites. Like we are on WhatsApp and Facebook and lots more. Of course, I'm not going to name everything here, but just most commonly used. Suppose I'll take an example of WhatsApp. We talk to our friends, we talk to our relatives, we talk to our colleagues, we talk to a number of people, right? So what we can do is, while we chat with people, we can start chatting in English. इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग दोज थिंग्स इन हिंदी, हिंदी को इंग्लिश में टाइप करके लिखने से अच्छा है, इट्स बेटर वी स्टार्ट हैविंग दोज कॉन्वर्जेशंस इन इंग्लिश, स्टार्ट टाइपिंग इन इंग्लिश, राइट? इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट गाइज, बहुत आसान है, आप आराम से कर सकते हो, बहुत बेसिक बातें कर सकते हैं हम उस पर. सो स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग दैट, you will start enjoying that as well. Next, we play a lot of online games. We have partners, we have people who are there, when we play games, right? 3 people are playing, 4 people are playing, 2 people are playing. So in that duration, of course, we have this habit of talking, right? अरे यार, अरे इसको मारना था, अरे ये करना था, अरे ये मिस हो गया. So why don't we start saying that in English? उसको बस इंग्लिश से रिप्लेस कर दो आप. अरे ट्राई तो करो गाइज, एक बार ट्राई करो यार. इट्स नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट. ट्रस्ट मी, यू विल स्टार्ट एंजॉइंग डूइंग दिस. और at the end of the day, you will start getting very comfortable with the language and getting very comfortable with speaking in English, because you're enjoying that game, you're enjoying that time, and when you start speaking in English, it will add to your experience, right? Coming to the third point, apps. Check out some apps, like what all apps are there where you can start speaking in English, start having conversations in English, like Cambly. Cambly is a very good app where you can go and start have conversation. The another latest is Chat GPT. Guys, trust me, it's very helpful. I have learned a lot from Chat GPT. Whatever you want to learn from any field, you can always use Chat GPT. It helps a lot. And I'm going to make a video on Chat GPT, that how it will help you to learn English, or how to use Chat GPT for English, to learn English. So Chat GPT is another platform, Cambly is another platform. So these are the apps which will help you to improve your English, improve your conversational English. You can start having a conversation with one-on-one conversation with people, and you can start improving yourself. So these are the best ways to practice English, which will help you guys to improve yourselves on your own. You don't need anybody else, any other partner to speak English with. Trust me, when I started speaking, when I started practicing, I came home and I found nobody there. मम्मी नहीं बोल सकती इंग्लिश, पापा नहीं बोल सकते इंग्लिश, भाई बहुत छोटे हैं, they can't. Whom do I speak to यार? Come on, I was also very frustrated. What I started doing is कि मैं खुद में ही बोलने लग गई. आई स्टार्टेड स्पीकिंग ऑन माई ओन. उस टाइम पे एप्स नहीं थे, उस टाइम पे मोबाइल नहीं था, कोई ऐसा गेम नहीं था कि मैं किसी के साथ पार्टनर ऑनलाइन गेम खेलूं. सो नो व्हाट्सएप, नथिंग वॉज देयर. सो आई स्टार्टेड स्पीकिंग ऑन माई ओन ओनली. अपने से ही, खुद से ही बातें करती थी. बट गाइज, यू आर लकी, यू हैव एवरीथिंग in this world, right? Start using your app, start using WhatsApp, start using your gaming time to start and speak English and practice English. It will help you a lot and you will enjoy that time as well. See you. Bye bye.